Section 5, problem number 6. Here we have a simple problem called the coordinate plane. The question says, in the figure above, the length of CD is twice the length of AB. What is the value of H? So the first thing we should do is find the values of A and B. We know that the length of AB is in the y direction. So here here we have x and y. So to find the values of a and b, we have to subtract. So from y, we have 2 minus -2. Here we add, and we have 4. So we know that AB equals 4. Now the question again says CD is twice the length of AB. So if AB is 4, CD has to be 8. Okay, so we have our values, and the question says we have to find H. So we know that C and D is in the x direction. And here we have again our x and our y. X and y. So we will have our own equation. We have to start with 8. The 8 is from CD. After we have 8, it's equal H minus -3. And the -3, we have the -3 from the x. So now that we have 8 equals H, we have to add. So we're left again, we write down the equation. We have 8 equals H plus 3. We need to get rid of the 3, so we subtract. We cancel 3. Then 8 minus 3 equals 5. So we know that. So we are left with H, and we know that H equals 5. I have an extra example in case you need more practice, and I think this one is easier. All I did was change the values, and the question is the same. In the figure above, the length of CD is twice the length of AB. What is the value of M? So we have to find the values of A and B. We know that the length of A and B is in the y direction. So we subtract 10 minus 5 equals 5. And the question says CD is twice the length of AB. So if AB is 5, CD has to be twice. So it would be 25. So we know that CD is 25. Now that we have this information, we need to find the value of M. So we need our equation. So the first thing we should do is write down the 25 from the CD. So we have 25 equals M. We're looking the value of M minus 1. And we have the 1 from the X. So to get rid of the 1, we add, and we get rid of the 1. Minus 1 equals 24. So our answer is 24. Here I had other options like 20, 30, and 14. But our final answer is 24.